If you're cheering for Argentina, don't stop at the jersey. Bring one of the country's most iconic flavors to your table with this easy chimichurri. Finely chop fresh coriander and parsley. Add minced garlic, green chillies, red chilli flakes and salt. Pour in olive oil, red wine vinegar and the juice and zest of a lemon. Mix everything well. Now comes the most important part. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes. That's when the herbs mellow, the garlic softens and all the flavors come together. Fresh, zesty and packed with flavor, chimichurri is the perfect match for grilled chicken, steak, fish, vegetables and even crispy fries. Kickoff is ready. Your matchday sauce is too. Vamos, Argentina!